Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahadi English School. I am glad to welcome all my dear students in first standard mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Today's thought is the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Yes, my dear students, first of all, think about your future, make some dreams, plan about it, and of course, have faith in it, believe that one day you must become successful. My all good wishes with all of you. Here we are going to start the lecture. Before we start, everyone sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. So, you all are ready to learn the new topic now. So, first of all, write down date and day in this corner. The day when you are writing. After that, write the heading chapter 7 SUBTRACTING subtracting GREATER greater NUMBERS numbers. My dear students, each and every day in any of the subject, whenever we are going to start writing part, first of all we have to write the heading. So now I hope that you all have completed the writing part. I am waiting for a while so that everyone can copy the heading properly. Chapter 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. Before we start, let me inform you about learning objectives for chapter 7. What we are going to learn in the whole chapter. That is counting back to subtract. Addition facts. Subtracting one digit from two-digit number. Subtraction using number strip. Double-digit subtraction. Problem solving. The students who are with me from the first part of this chapter, they may know that we have completed counting back to subtract. Who remembers this? This exercise we already have completed in our classwork and fair book. Addition facts. This also become completed in classwork and fair book. Subtracting one digit from two-digit number as well as double-digit subtraction. We have completed the explanation as well as in the form of exercise 7a, where we have the combination of one digit and two-digit subtraction. In previous lecture, we have completed exercise 7a. as well as it was your homework to complete it in your maths fair book. I hope you all have completed it. If not complete, then make it complete with the help of the video as well as given notes, as I have sent you the notes in the group. If you have not completed this exercise, then complete it as soon as possible. What are the learning objectives for today? Today we will learn about subtraction using number strip and table of 2. So get ready to learn new things. And yes, before we start, let me inform you that today you must keep the scale or ruler with you, as we are going to learn about subtraction using number strip. You need this to draw the number line or number strip. So take the book, pencil, sharpener, eraser as well as a ruler or scale with you. Okay? Subtraction using number strip. First of all, I am going to explain how to make subtraction using number strip. After finishing the explanation, we will write some sums about subtraction using number strip. Subtraction using the number strip. What is number strip? Look at here. You can see that on this line there present some numbers 23 to 42. Have you observed? The line which having some numbers on it called number strip or number line. How it will be useful to us to solve the sums? Let's see. Here our sum is 34 minus 8. What is the sum? 34 minus 8. So first of all, find 34 on the number strip. Look, here we have number 34. Go back 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop there. Look, where we reach? We reach at number 2626. So you will be at 26 and that will be the answer. This is the way we can solve the sum with the help of number strip. I hope you all understand the concept well. Now get ready, open your book, hold the pencil in your hand as well as keep the scale with you so that you can copy the sums properly. Write the heading everyone. SOLVE, solve. using, using, the, number, number, strip, strip. Solve using the number strip. I am waiting so that everyone can copy the work properly. Write down the heading. Solve using the number strip. Completed? Now, after copying the heading, leave 3 or 4 lines and then write the sum 34 minus 4. Write the sum 34 minus 4. After writing the sum, everyone, now it's time to get the help of scale. Yes. Draw the line with the help of scale. Draw the line above the sum as I have drawn here. Write numbers on it. 2, 8, 28. After that, leave some space. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Is everyone completed? Now see, my dear, what is the sum? The sum is 34 minus 4. Now what should we do? First of all, find out number 34. Where it is? Look, here we have number 34. Am I right? Now move 4 steps backward. Backward means on the left side. I repeat, on the left side of given number. Let's move 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, where we reach? We reach at number 3030. So it will be the answer. Copy it below the sum. 34 minus 4 is equal to 30. This is the way we solve the sum with the help of number strip. Is everyone completed? Now draw a line with the help of scale, and after that leave 4 lines and write the new sum. 26 minus 2. Make sure that you have to write number 2 at ones place. 2 6 26 minus 2. Completed everybody? Write the sum properly, my dear. 26 minus 2. Now hold the scale in your hand and draw the line with the help of scale. Is everyone completed? Very good. Now write the numbers on that number line. 2 to 22. After that leave some space. Then 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Everyone has completed. Write the numbers 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Now look, what is the sum? Our sum is 26 minus 2. First of all, find out number 26 on number strip. Look, here we have number 26 minus 2. What does it means by? Move 2 steps backward or on the left side. Which side? Left side of given number. You have to count with me, huh? 1, 2. Look, where we reach? We reach at number 24. So, copy the answer here. 2, 4, 24. Number 2, 4, 24. 26 minus 2. First of all, draw the number strip. After that, write given numbers on it. Then find number 26 and move back 2 steps. You reach at 24 and it will be the answer. Copy it in the given box. Completed? Now again draw the line with the help of scale. Leave 4 lines and then write new sum. 4, 1, 41 minus 4. Each and every one copy the sum. 4, 1, 41 minus 4. Is everyone completed the writing part? Write the sums properly, in the boxes. Look, here is the squares where we have the numbers. So, in your square line book, you have to write the numbers in proper sequence. 41 minus 4. Now, draw the line with the help of scale. Everyone, draw the line with the help of scale only. Completed? First of all, write the sum and then draw the line. Now which part comes? we have to write the numbers. Write 36, leave some space, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Everyone, write these numbers properly. Make sure that you have to leave some space between two numbers so that you can make a jump properly. What does it say? That we have to make a jump like a frog, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Now find out number 41 on this number strip. Look, here we have 4, 1, 41. Now go back 4 steps. How many steps, my dear? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop now. Look dear, where we reach? We reach at number 3737. So write down in the given box. 4141 minus 4. With the help of number strip, we find that our difference is 3737. Okay? So now write the next sum. 3939 minus 7. Everyone copy the sum. 3939 minus 7. Everyone copied? Have you enjoyed? I think you all are enjoying a lot. That you all have to draw the number strip, and it is very interesting work. Okay, 39 minus 7. Which part comes now? Yes, get ready with scale. Draw the number line or number strip. Draw with the help of scale only, okay? Now write the numbers on this number line. 31, leave some space. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Everyone has completed the work. Each and everyone copy the numbers properly. Very good. Now first of all find out number 39 on the given number strip. Look, here we have number 3939. Minus 7 means go back 7 steps. Where we have to move? On the left side of given number. How many steps? 7 steps. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Now look at which number we reach. We reach at number 3 to 32. So copy it in the box. 39 minus 7 is equal to 32. You all have understand the concept. Each and everyone copy the work with me properly. Very good. This was the one exercise of subtraction using number strip. One more exercise of subtraction using number strip is remaining. In next lecture we will complete it. So I hope that today you all understand the concept well, as well as the writing part is over with me. Whenever you are in the school, you all are writing with the teacher or not? Teacher is copying on the board and you all are copying in your book. So this is same like that. May you all are with me, and yes, of course, complete this exercise in your fair book with good handwriting. Now we are going to learn table of 2. Each and everyone get ready. Write the heading in your book. TABLE, table of 2. Here we are going to start the table. Two ones are 2. Two twos are 4. Two threes are 6. Two fours are 8. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20. Now everyone get ready to copy the homework. What's your homework for today? Subtract using number strip one time in Maths Fair book. My dear students, the exercise which we learned today, you have to copy it in your Maths Fair book. Yes, for your help I will send you the notes in the group, but make sure that you have to draw that number strip with the help of scale only, and write the numbers properly, make the jumps properly. At which side you have to make jump? On the left side. Okay? Everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.